Hey yo, back to make you run around again like it's a fire. I spit acid, bitch, like I got cyanide in my saliva. Watch me wet and heat shit up like I'm a washer in a dryer while I beat you in your head until you tired. I'm a motherfucking bitch. See the way we got my niggas is open. I'm doing it again, tripping in the wrong skank. Got a nigga while I get in the bullpen. Nigga, they wishing the hell they be hoping that I would've managed and I stop and I will finish, but I drop and always kill a nigga hotter than a skillet. Think you fucking with the guard, you gotta be joking. Every single time you niggas see me step inside the door, killing everything with 1,000 gorillas behind me. So I suggest you bounce and let your chick eat my salami slow. While I continue to dance on niggas in the hood with that tsunami flow. Get back home before you get snapped. I even got a bitch strapped in a club with a snub nose while I make 'em black with a bangin' and a crack. Niggas in a can of pack, everybody till the club close. Haters, I see you sitting over there. That's why you see me blacking everywhere. I'm a motherfucking babe. I'm a fucking babe. I'm a motherfucking babe. Fucking motherfucking babe. I'm a motherfucking babe. You know what's wrong. 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 I'm a motherfucking beast ride. Homie, welcome to the east side where the killers reside. We playing world games, please hide. Ain't no signs of peace, so fuck a peace sign. We ride. Bust shots from the car seat, or maybe hang you to your next broke, choke you with a stethoscope. That's how I kill a motherfucker in a heartbeat on a dark street. I'm a motherfucking beast. I'm a motherfucking beast ride. Keep the 357 in the Levi's when the beef fries. House gang hoodie is the D skies. Look in these eyes, last thing you gon' see when the heat flies. Yo, is it be done or is it the city we from? Got us killing each other over these breadcrumbs. You fuck with me, it's gonna be cranberry and 151. That's murder backwards, red rum. I done seen a nigga double with the pistol bullet coming out the window of a rental situation. Detrimental, little kids are getting caught up in the middle when they kill it's accidental. That's why I'm keeping a pistol. Matter of fact, capture my enemy, kidnap him, slap him in the back of the infinity. Bandana to mask the identity and start spazzing like Charles Manson. No absent and innocence. Fight back, attack me with energy. Right back to add to your injury. When I write raps, you have